What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how to create a really easy tech channel on YouTube. Channels doing this on YouTube are generating well over $10,000 a month from their videos. It's a very overlooked niche. Okay, it's not about selling products directly, but you can generally create these videos within 1 hour, recording, editing and all of that. I'm going to show you the biggest competitor within the niche and how you can go about copying all of their content and making it your own, all in 1 hour, and finding the best topics online to go out and actually compete against these guys. If this is something that you would like to start on YouTube, then watch this video all the way till the end, because I will show you the number one competitor, how much they are making, all the free tools you will need to actually get started with this channel, and where to find the best content that will rank well on YouTube. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads, as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay, so the channel we're looking at is called Tech Gumbo. They've got over 1 million subscribers. Okay, as you can see, these guys generate a ton of views. Now if I take the stats right here, okay, so this is their channel. I'm going to go over to Social Blade. I'm going to paste it in Social Blade, press the enter bar, and let Social Blade give us the stats of this channel. Okay, as you can see, this is the stats given to us by Social Blade. Now this channel has been around for quite some time and they do have a few competitors, okay, but each and everyone is doing more or less their own different thing within this niche, because this niche is very easy to do. Okay, you just record your screen, show people what's on your screen, explain to them a very basic upfront of what you see and what they will see as well, what they can expect, and that's about it. Okay, you don't need any technical skills. All you need to do is read off your screen. As you can see, that these guys are generating close to $15,000 a month from YouTube just creating these videos. Okay, so a list of things you will need. One is a notepad. Everyone's got notepad on their PCs. You'll need Google. Okay, so that's where you're gonna find your content, and also need vidIQ. Then you will need a screen recorder. I would suggest using OBS Studio because it's free to use. It's open source software. And if you've got a mic, also plug it into your computer. Laptops already have a mic, but if you do not have a mic, you can use mic for free. It allows you to use your phone as a wireless or wired mic to connect with your screen recorders as well. Just be careful when editing, because mic tends to generate a robotic voice from time to time. Okay, then lastly, you will also need VSDC video editor to edit these videos with. And another great tool for uploading to make your video stand out on YouTube in search is going to be Canva. It's to create your thumbnails. Okay, so firstly, you are going to select one of their videos. You need to come over to the channel or any other competitors in your niche for the specific niche and select one of their videos. Okay, so you are going to watch this video all the way till the end. This one, in this example, will be the top 5 best free screenshot softwares. Okay, so you are going to copy the title, go over to Notepad, paste it. I would change the 2020 to 2021. Okay, now we press enter twice. Now once you've installed vidIQ, it will give you a small dashboard for every video you watch on YouTube. Now a great thing about this tool is it gives you the video tags. Okay, so you are going to copy these tags right here, copy to clipboard, then go back to your Notepad. Anything that says 2020, you need to change to 2021. Now you can change this list up, but you don't need to use just the 5 best free screenshot softwares. You can make 10 or you can make 6. It really depends on you and how much work you are actually willing to put in, because the longer the list, the more time it will take. Now you are going to go over to YouTube, which is the next step, and search best free screenshot tools. Is what I did, and the first result shows me 9. Okay, so 9 is already a good start. It's a 4 more than 5, so you're giving people more options. Okay, and they would that would encourage them to watch your video, as your video will have more information. Now what you need to do again is write down all of these names of all the screenshot software they give you here. Okay, you can just again copy them. Okay, go back to your notepad and paste them right there. Now once you've got your list, you need to open every page. Okay, open every page with your list on it, okay, which is on the list. And all you are going to do is then just read what you see on screen. You don't need to download ScreenRec for free. Just say, okay, and first one is ScreenRec. It's 100% free screen recorder. It has no watermarks and no recording limits. You can capture screenshots and videos with just a single hotkey. That's just an example of what you are going to say, and also tell them that you for which versions or which operating softwares they can download ScreenRec. Now once you've completed recording your video, you are going to install VSDC. Okay, now once you've done that, you're going to edit your video on the VSDC. Any mistakes that you have made during your recording session, you will need to cut out of your video. Okay, so if you've misspoken yourself, what you will need to do is just take a deep breath and then say the same thing over again, but a little bit more slowly, also that people can hear you, and also speak clearly so that people can understand you. The best language to do this in is English. I see a lot of Hindi channels and Urdu channels in this niche, but the information they give you is only available in Urdu and Hindi, and if you do not understand that, the video is basically going to be useless for you. Okay, so give the information in English so almost everyone that's on YouTube speaks English or understands English, so that everyone can understand. Now once you've done that, you need to create a thumbnail on Canva. Now you can either choose one of the templates they have here, okay, or you can create one from scratch. Now as you can see with Tech Gumbo, they create their templates with just a normal stock image, which you can find on sites like Pixabay and sites like Unsplash. Okay, then just create it, download it. It's 100% free, and then once you upload your video to YouTube, the following is what you are going to do. It's going to ask you for a title. You are going to use this title, copy again, paste it in as the title. Okay, and then you are going to use also all of these search tags and paste them into the more options at the bottom, which will give you area where you can put these search tags in. Then write a short description for your video. Also take these again and paste them within your video description, and then you will also need to create some hashtags for your video, which I will do this free screenshot. Okay, screenshot software, and then best screenshot, and that's it. Now what's gonna happen is, once you've typed in all of those hashtags, they will appear under your video title as with the specific video you're watching right now of mine. You will see those hashtags that I use in my videos, and it will help your videos rank well in YouTube, because hashtags, like with Instagram, is also a ranking tool and a searchable a query within the search engines for YouTube, and that is basically it. It's going to take you less than 1 hour to actually do all of this. Now these guys have a huge library of content that you can basically copy and make your own, but I would stick mostly to free softwares, as these guys are well known for just showing some features or windows in websites mostly. Okay, I would maybe not copy all of that. I would check out other competitors on the platform and do the same for them. Now I hope this video has helped you guys out, and I hope you guys take action with this video. And if this video has helped you out in any way, please give it a like, and if you have not yet done so, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, it does motivate me to make more content for you guys. All from me for today, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.